Hey, nerd, what are you reading?
Well, that's my favorite book.
Well, reading's for nerds. My dad tried to teach me how to read when I was a little kid, and then he died in a car crash. Now give me that.
No, I love that book.
I made love to it every night.
Well, that's too bad. You shouldn't have been reading under my tree.
I'm gonna tell Mr. Harrison about this. Mr. Harrison, Jack stole my book again.
Justice will be served. If you want to keep your grades up, you have to keep sleeping with me, alright? You like what you see?
Okay.
A few days later, Tyler was on his phone minding his own business.
Man, I've been waiting a while to do this. Oh!
But Mr. Harrison saw everything.
Knocked out. Ooh, you got knocked out, boy! Ooh, ah.
Jack, soft hands, okay? Play
It wasn't
nice.
me.
Okay? Play nice.
I can't take this anymore!
But then you see, he had enough, so he went over to the bully's house to pay him a visit.
Minorities suck. Racism.
You left a window open!
Whoa, what the frick? How did you get in here? Whoa, man, it's not my fault I had a troubled childhood.
Does it look like I gave a f?
Hey, Fardam fan. You saw that excellent video. I'm changing lives. I'm best. I'm the best. And I'm also providing excellent life lessons for your kids to enjoy. You see that kid over there? He got chainsawed. That's what happens to bullies. Never judge a book by its cover. You saw that kid reading out there. He looked nice, he looked sweet, but no, he chainsawed a kid in half. That kid could be your kid, so don't raise those.
Oh, what's up?